Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, being well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty to Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are taking my latest video. So girls, it is over today. Bring some special beautiful crochet coffee cozy ideas, beautiful free pattern, most demanding and most likely crochet collection, fabulous ideas, very nice. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with button up style, wooden button and different pattern, different style, beautiful designing, so cute, beautiful ideas. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet coffee cozy. Some are decorated with beaded stones, beads, decorated ideas, ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी नाइस. आप यहाँ पर ऑलमोस्ट 40 प्लस इमेजेस देख सकते हो क्रोशेट कॉफ़ी कोजी के, टी कोजी के. सो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिएगा, अच्छे से कमेंट्स कीजिएगा, बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँचे और आप उनसे फ़ायदा उठाएं. Very nice. So please like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work with mint section. And you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye.